So we got 3 red ones parked together. I reckon that's freaking awesome. This one's super clean. I can't wait for my boot to be repaired and my roof as well. Mazda Beta. That's sick, man. That is sick. Yeah. That's how we roll. Waiting for the rest of the boys to show up. The size of the tyres on the back of this sucker. Man, it's all happening. Look at the size of that, just for reference. That is massive. to watch a bit more roll racing. The daughter's upstairs having a bit of a geezer, and probably head back a bit earlier this time. But in 2 weeks from now, Rotary Riot, I intend to stay here till it's done. There'll be more than roll racing and stuff next time anyway, but still a pretty good turnout. Anyway, guys, take it easy. Freaking see you soon. Wait for it to warm up a bit and then we'll head off. Just got back from QR, had a good little run. She's freaking pulsing hard tonight.